Alright, the John Deere is back together. Got the cover back on, got gas in the gas tank. It's not leaking, which is a good thing. So we got a clean carburetor on the outside and inside. Got a couple of bolts here that were a pain to put back on. There's a bolt here for the fuel line underneath. That was a pain. I had to take this cover off. Hadn't put it back on yet to get to it. There's a bolt here. So it's a pretty secure fuel line system. Alright, let's give it the first start here. Didn't really see a lot wrong with this John Deere carburetor, but I cleaned it out the best I could. See what happens here. I got it choked. Fuel is on. Matter of fact, I did not have to take this knob off, by the way, that I mentioned earlier. So let's give it a first start here. Oh, here we go. Alright. First pull. First pull. Wow, isn't that great? Look at that. That is a really, really quiet engine on this thing. Choke's working. Looks like it's flooding once I did that. There we go. Needs to run a little bit. See the self-propel work. I got my handle kind of preventing the self-propel. Looks like it's working. Alright, I'm going to let this run for a while. Looks like we fixed the John Deere.